In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix not signing into Soundtrap. If you're stuck at the login screen or your sign-in keeps failing, follow along and we'll walk through the most common causes and how to resolve them quickly. First, check whether the problem is actually on Soundtrap's side. Even reliable services have occasional outages. Look up the Soundtrap status page or simply wait 10 to 15 minutes and try again. If their servers are down, no sign-in method will work, so there's nothing wrong with your account or device. A short pause can save you a lot of unnecessary troubleshooting. Next, make sure you're using the same sign-in method you originally used to create your account. Soundtrap supports Google, Facebook, Apple ID, email, and password, and for some older accounts, Spotify. This part is crucial. Your login method is tied to your account. For example, if you signed up with Google, trying to log in with email and password will fail because that account doesn't have a separate password. Stick to the exact option you used on day one. If you're unsure, think back to which button you usually click or which service you typically use for similar apps. If you're still not in, the most effective fix is to clear your browser's cache and cookies, especially on Chrome or Edge. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy and Security, then choose Clear Browsing Data. Select cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. You don't need to clear passwords or history for this step. Click Clear Data, fully close your browser, then reopen it and try signing in again. Corrupted cookies are a common reason logins loop or fail silently, and this reset often resolves it. Finally, try signing in from an incognito or private window. Open a private browsing window, go directly to soundtrap.com, and attempt to sign in there. If it works in incognito, that's a strong sign an extension or stored data in your normal browser session is interfering. This test doesn't change your account, it just isolates the browser environment so you can confirm whether the issue is local. Work through these in order. Check service status, confirm your original login method, clear cache and cookies, and test in incognito. In most cases, one of these steps restores access and gets you back to creating. If the problem persists after trying them, it's worth repeating the status check and then retracing which sign-in button you used, since mismatched methods are the most common cause. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back into Soundtrap without a hitch.